Hello and welcome to Learn Urdu with Rahila. Today we will be learning short Urdu sentences focusing on time and place. First, we will start by learning each word separately and then put them together in sentences. In Urdu, you is aap, where is kahan, and live is rehte. With these words, we can form the question आप कहाँ रहते हैं, which means where do you live? In the phrase आप कहाँ रहते हैं, the word हैं is the auxiliary verb that corresponds to the English are or is. Let's move on the next set of words. In Urdu, what is kya? Time is waqt. With these words, we can form the question kya waqt hua hai, which means what time is it? In the phrase kya waqt hua hai means has happened, indicating the present perfect tense. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and please follow my page for more.